Blackheads. Although it's a common skin problem, nobody wants to look unappealing with those ugly black bumps on face. Trying to poke them will only lead to pain and acne breakouts. How to prevent and treat this problem? In today's video, I'll show you guys an inexpensive and all-natural way to treat blackheads at home in just one day. If you're new here, my name is Amla. Welcome to my channel. If you like to watch more such home remedies and DIYs for your skin issues, stay tuned and please subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get updated. Without further ado, let's get started. Blackhead is a common skin disorder that occurs on all skin types at any age. These are nothing but blocked skin pores. This is mainly due to excess sebum, dirt and other impurities that clogs your pores. If not treated, this will lead to acne breakouts and other skin issues on face. I'll show you guys a simple and effective home remedy to treat blackheads. It's a two-step process. First step is steaming. For the first step, take a bowl of hot water. Make sure it is not too hot and dip a towel in them. Squeeze out extra water and put this towel on your face for 5 minutes. This helps in opening up the pores, which in turn will remove your blackheads easily. Once you're done with steaming your face with a hot towel, next step is blackhead removal face pack. For this, you'll need 3 natural ingredients from kitchen: cinnamon powder, baking soda, honey. In a clean bowl, add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, and half teaspoon of baking soda. And lastly, add enough honey to mix it into a smooth paste. Once you got the right consistency, the blackhead clearing face pack is ready now. Wash your face clean and apply this face pack on your face evenly and generously. Pay more attention on your affected areas like around your nose and chin. Cinnamon is not only good for your health but also for your skin. Cinnamon has been used for centuries for its healing properties. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties reduce blackheads and future breakouts. It helps in regulating oil production and removes dead skin cells effectively. It increases blood flow and plumps the skin, which results in brighter complexion. Benefits of baking soda on skin are surplus. Baking soda acts as an astringent and cleans clogged pores. It exfoliates dead skin cells and brings glow to your skin. Honey is a natural antibiotic that removes dirt and other impurities that leads to blackheads. It cleans and tightens pores. It's an excellent moisturizer and gives a dewy glow to your skin. Leave the mask to dry on your face for 15 minutes and wash it off with cold water. Then apply your moisturizer. Follow this remedy only once a week to get best result. Hope you guys can see how my skin looks. My skin feels so smooth and flawless. Hope this remedy was useful to you guys. Please try and share the result with us. If you like this video, like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, click the bell icon to get yourself updated. I'll meet you guys with a brand new one next time. Until then, take care. See you.